Tennessee's median sales price went up by 1.9% when compared to last year. The number of closed homes went down by 17%, and the number of homes for sale increased by 25%. In today's video, we're going to talk all about Tennessee's current real estate market and what you should know heading into the summer season. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brenna and I'm a realtor with SimpliHOM in the Middle Tennessee area. I'm here to answer any questions that you may have about living in Tennessee, so be sure to reach out to me and be sure to subscribe because I post weekly. All right, so let's dive right into the numbers. First, we're going to start off by noting the national trends that we're seeing at this time. Active listings were down by 50% when compared to April of 2019, which was pre-pandemic levels. This is part of the reason why homebuyers are not seeing the dramatic shift in the market that they were expecting. In theory, a market with pre-pandemic inventory levels, the power would dramatically shift to the buyer's favor. Instead, nationally, we have seen a consistent drop in inventory, meaning we have seen less of a dramatic shift. Now that we've talked about what's going on in terms of inventory nationally, let's dig into the Tennessee real estate market. As I mentioned before, compared to April of last year, Tennessee's median sales price is up by almost 2%, the number of homes for sale went up by 25%, and our month supply has increased by a whole month, which means we are at a 3-month supply currently, which is still considered a seller's market. Our closings fell by 17%, meaning there are less buyers in the market than we saw last year, which the most reasonable explanation for this is the higher interest rates. Some of the metro areas with the fastest growing median sales price includes number 1, Bristol, number 2, Greenville, and number 3, Farragut. For Middle Tennessee, the median sales price decreased by 3% compared to April of last year. The total number of closings is down by 31%, and our total inventory is up by 15%. The increase in inventory is encouraging to buyers in the Middle Tennessee area, but we're still below pre-pandemic levels. In terms of single-family homes, currently there are 825 homes for sale in the $200,000 to $300,000 price range. 1,402 homes are in the $300,000 to $400,000 price range. And there are 1,434 homes in the $400,000 to $500,000 price range. So now that we have a better idea as to what is going on in the Tennessee real estate market, let's shift to the mortgage side of things. Mortgage applications went up by 5% in just the last week, so more buyers are starting to apply for a loan currently. This is something we typically see in the spring to summertime because a lot of people want to move in between school seasons, so this makes sense as to why mortgage applications are going up right now. Let's take a look at this chart showing the average current interest rates. Please keep in mind that the rate that you are likely to receive is dependent on many different factors, so it's best to speak to a mortgage lender to find out a more accurate picture of what your interest rate may be. If you need to relocate to Tennessee because of a job or the cost of living is too high in the city that you're currently living in, then please, I encourage you to reach out to a lender first just to run some different scenarios of what your monthly payment may be. Currently, a lot of lenders are offering incentives towards closing costs or rate buydowns, so now is a really good time to get connected and start planning with a lender. So here are some of my key takeaways that you should know about the current real estate market here in Tennessee. If you're a cash buyer in this market, you are at a significant advantage because you don't have to consider the higher interest rates, and there is a lot more inventory than we've seen in the past 3 years currently on the market. If you are a Tennessee home seller, please know that it may take a little bit longer to sell your home depending on a few different factors. In certain areas, there is high buyer demand, meaning there are multiple offers for a single home, and then in other areas, homes are sitting on the market for longer. Now more than ever, it is incredibly important to price your home with current comparables and market data. So what is the market like where you live currently? Are homes sitting on the market for a little bit longer, or are there multiple offer situations again? Let me know in the comment section down below. Please be sure to reach out to me. You can find all of my contact information in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.